Today's chapter also motion. This motion chapter question is given a stone drop into a well. That means it is not linear distance calculations, it is downwards. Well, when says well, that is downwards. So here acceleration is gravitational force, that means 9.8 meter per second square. Now please, a stone dropped into a well is heard to strike the after 4 seconds, find the depth of the whale. If the velocity of the sound is 350 meter per second, please just to see the question here, into a whale, drop into a whale is heard to strike the water after 4 seconds. What do you mean by after 4 seconds? There is two types of time is there. One is going time. After touching the water surface, then sound is generated and that much path is covered by the sound. So I have already written here T equal to T1 plus T2 when stone is dropping here. See, this is stone is dropping here, it touches here. So this part is covered by the stone, that is T1. And after generate a sound, it goes up and it is T2. So time is T1 plus T2. And T1 is the reaching time to water and T2 is the return time to top by sound. Please be careful. तो आपने फिर देखिए, here I have written here u equal to 0. So T2 हम जानते हैं, I know it very well. Distance is equal to speed into time. So time equal to distance by speed. So this T2 I have to calculate. T2 is what? Distance by speed. And what is distance? Distance is equal to s equal to ut plus half gt square. So I have written here ut when u is 0, t this part is 0. This is 0. So s is equal to 4.9 t square. So this is T2. This is T2. I don't know what is T. T is the distance. Please. So now you see T2 equal to how much? T2 equal to distance. Distance is equal to 4.9 t square. 4.9 t square by 350. It is T2. But total time is 4 seconds. So T equal to this part now. You calculate T equal to T1 plus T2. Please don't misguide yourselves. T equal to when? T equal to T1 plus T2. Now you have to write like this. T1, T equal to 4 seconds. 4 seconds equal to T plus 4.9 t square by 350. Now it is simply equations, that is 1400 equal to 350t plus 4.9 t square. So automatically middle term factor you take in one side, therefore 4.9 t square plus 350t minus 1400 equal to 0. So now you easily you can calculate, it is up to, that means S will be 70.8. Why is S will be 17.8 meter? It will come after the S equal to, you will get 4.9 t square, 4.9 S equal to 4.9 into 3.8 square. If you calculate it, you will get like this. So automatically this is total equal to 70.756. Now approximate value you put it here 70.8 meter. So now again you just revise it. First stone is dropping and sound is generating. This T1 plus T2 equal to 4 seconds. If you like this video, then please you share it with your friends And those who have not still subscribed, please subscribe it. Thank you very much.